Welcome back to my channel. So in the previous videos, we have seen introduction of Python on the installation steps for Python as well as ideals for learning Python, which is basically anaconda distribution where we install anaconda distribution and we learned how to code in Jupyter Notebook. So I have already opened the Jupyter Notebook when you opened it, and today we are going to discuss about a few basic steps. This is the first, this is the video. We are going to start Python programming basic steps. And previously we only talked about what is Python and its installations. So when we go for basics, we'll start with how to create variables and how to assign variables, right? So the first video of Python basics is how to create variables. So when we create variables, in any other programming language like C or C++, we will initiate with its data types, integer or float or string or character like that. But in Python, we have very simple things. You just need to create a variable name and just assign a value. The value is if it is a digit, if it is a number, if that will be considered as integer. If it has some decimal value, it will be considered as float. If something is in double quotation or single quotation or triple double quotation or triple single quotation or considered as string. So this is how Python automatically assess the values assigned to the variable, and then the where it will allow it will automatically assign the automatically give the data types to the variable. So I will just quickly show you how it assigns, right? Simply when you create a variable, that's how it will give. I'm going to assign some variable called something like a equal to 10. So when I assign these values, it will be assigned, right? I will create some columns like this is the values, whatever that how memory stored to the variable, and all those things I have explained, right? So how we assign, just giving a equal set things. When we give equal whatever the value, this will be considered as variable and this will be considered as um, value. So I'm going to, I know later part I will be explaining how this variable should be, but now we are going to see how that assignment, how we do assignment to a variable. Now when we assign the variable, let me see, if you want to see the data type of that particular variable name, you just need to just type, give that variable name, okay? You can see right here, it is an integer variable because we give an integer. It's integer. Python automatically understand what type of data type of the variable it is. If you just give b equal to 3.14, okay, this is obviously pi value. And if I try to print, if I try like okay, if I did, if I will just print the b. If you see b, it's obviously produced like in Python. It doesn't require to be specify the data type, so it given the output. Let's check type of the variable b. It's a float. It is obviously able to understand. That's a Python magical things compared to any other programming language. Even like a JavaScript, they require they require to it doesn't require to create like what type of data type, but it is kind of required to give like variable kind of a things in other programming. But in Python, it's simple things. You don't need to give anything. And yeah, this is how we do assignment, and this is how Python understands your variable. Okay, so that's all things about variable. We'll see how to different things in the next videos and chapters. Today we are going to just cover about variable and assignment. Now we see a single assignment, right? What are the other ways we can do that assignment, right? What are the other ways? If I just given a single assignment, can I assign three values? Okay, I'll just remove this. You know, can I do multiple assignments single times? If I'm able to assign a equal to a equal to some value 5 and b equal to same value 5 and c equal to same value 5, instead of doing this, okay, instead of doing this, I'll create few more steps. Instead of, if I print A comma B comma C. It will print 555 because it is all of them we assigned as well. Instead of creating like this, shall I create a single time multiple variable? Can I create it? Yeah, Python, it is possible. Let me just go with a different variable name like I equal to J equal to K. I will just give 7 values. See, it's accepted. When you see this, like, value is printed, Jupyter able to like process that and run it, and then it is able to output. If something is goes wrong, Jupyter will immediately throw you an output, throw you some error. Like if I give like L never assigned. Now, when I try to assign a value of L to ijk, since it's never declared, it will throw an error because L is not never defined, right? So that's a beauty of Jupyter Notebook. As I already said in the previous videos, you can watch it if you haven't watched it. Jupyter Notebook able to give you the output immediately below to your cell, right? That's a reason it is really easy for you to learn with the Jupyter Notebook for Python language. Okay, we'll stick to it now. I'll go back to that. It's assigned. Let me print it. Print, just print I comma J comma K. It will print 777. This is how you can able to assign multiple variables to single value, multiple assignment. Okay, that's one more thing. Like if I want to, like, now as I assign single value to multiple variables, if I want to assign multiple values to multiple variables, is there any other options? Yes, we have. And I'm going to remove it. I just now want to have these examples. Now I'm going to create, name one. Let's go with different one. Okay, name one, name two, hmm, or name. Just go with city, hmm, and ID card. Okay, different values. Okay, or not ID. It's maybe, see, if something, if you create something, it goes for green or any other color, don't use it because it's a reserved keyword. So I'm not, if you see here that ID is becoming green, so it's a reserved keyword. So we should not use it. Instead of, I will go with some kind of associate ID. Okay, and I'm going to give some random name, Karthik, and come on, city. This belongs to Chennai, and this associated ID is something like random number. See, I give some random number. I'm able to assign three different values to three different variable names. Yes, it's quite possible. If I try to print it, um, name, I will concatenate it. Name. Okay, I'll give you from associate ID. Okay, yeah, I'll try to print it all of them together. Mhm. Don't try to see the meaning of it. I'll try to sit. Okay, something problem because this is an integer, right? So it is not allowing to concatenate. This will be, we'll see how integer will be concatenated. It's simply, I'm just going to concatenate with the string. Okay, now it will print it. See, then associated name is Karthik in Chennai. Maybe he lives in Chennai. Maybe I will give, or works in Chennai because associated works in Chennai. So this is how you can assign multiple variables using Python. This is a very cool features in Python. I think you will love to learn this one. And we thank you for watching this video. This is a short video. I know it's a simple concept. I'm going to explain the simple concepts each and every videos. So please subscribe my channel and follow my page, and stay tuned, and we'll learn together, and then we will do a lot of stuff with Python. Thank you very much.